Hey, what's up guys? Inca Jeep here, and in this video we're installing the Mopar Snorkel for my new 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon Launch Edition. I was able to go inside Donald's shop. He's the owner of Off-Road Toys South Atlanta in Morrow, Georgia. You guys could check him out for everything from axle swaps, lift kits, tires, wheels, etc. Pretty much anything Jeep related, he's got you. He's always out wheeling with him and people from his shop. So check him out on his Instagram, on his Facebook, and definitely if you like these videos, make sure to subscribe. It really helps me out. Make sure to like and comment. Bear with me, and I say please be patient. I'm getting there on the vlogging and all that, so I'm trying out new things. So if something doesn't work, I absolutely appreciate the criticism. You know, I gotten feedback, hey, you're too monotone, hey, that didn't work out, and I appreciate it. Honestly, I feel like it's gonna make me better. So, but bear with me. I'm gonna try a couple new things, and I hope you like it. And at the end of the day, it's all about just getting out there, getting on the trails, pretty much just getting out the house and exploring. There's so many beautiful things to check out there, and if you can find your own rig, it doesn't have to be a Jeep, could be a Toyota, could be a Nissan, whatever, it could be a sedan, but just getting out there, just checking out what's in your backyard. That's what it's all about. So hold on tight and let's get this install started. Quick disclaimer here, this is not going to be verbatim follow step 1, step 2 instructional video. It's pretty much just going to highlight what we did. I will say this, make sure to read the directions. Some of the parts to it are a little misleading. For instance, when you get to the cutout part, there's two pieces that kind of go over the hood. It's a little unclear because at one point it has you actually cutting out the part where the snorkel will fit through, and then several points later in the instruction it'll tell you that you needed to drill little holes so the two parts connect. Like I'm saying, just check the directions out. You could totally do this at home, but I appreciate you, Donald, for letting me go into your shop and film. You guys go check him out for anything Jeep related. So on that note, let's get right to it. So we just took the hood off. This was really stuck. Y'all need to come see Donald at Off-Road Toys South Atlanta in Morrow.
How are you guys?
Snorkel install on the Gladiator. This is gonna be the scariest part. Yeah. Donald has more balls than I do.
No, just done it before, not exactly this one, but I done a few with cutting the hood.
Yeah, I trust him, so. Redo, it went on this side. So we just put on the bracket, we got the hood off, and yeah, so far. Here at Off-Road Toys South Atlanta, if you need a DJ, Donald also does DJs. Para los quinceañeras. You need baby hands to get in there. Right now we're about to work on the air box. Oh, Off-Road Toys, South Atlanta.
We have all these brands that we can get you parts.
Yeah, he's got everything. You're trying to get a lift kit, you're trying to rock crawl, you're trying to overland, everything. Este part de installation.
They haven't shown it?
Yeah, I don't think the last one, they kind of showed, after the fact. Pero esto se saca y...
And then you replace it with the other thing.
Snorkel install. I think it looks good just with this piece. Just putting the air box together. This plastic piece comes kind of firmly put it in here.
Oh yeah, you have to drill it.
We have to drill in these nuts here.
Drill 6 holes.
So we're putting on the bolts. You pretty much drill and bolt these in. And that's to make the air box like airtight.
No, they're not. And actually, I don't like too much driftable ones.
Probably next for the build, 37s. Putting the silicone just to make sure it's like super sealed up.
It doesn't say on the instructions that you need it, but hey, it doesn't hurt to have silicone on this. Might as well, since we already have it here. Just make it, on the safe side.
Donald's always gonna go the extra mile.
Yeah, even though it's not in the instructions, but it helps. And this goes in the bottom. You really can't see it. Like if you want to look, you can't see it there.
Yeah.
But see, it's sealed. Look, it shows it's sealed. But look at this. See?
Yeah, there's definitely
yeah, it's not 100% sealed, but hey, this will definitely stop the water from coming in.
So we put together the air box with the silicone. We screwed in this like plastic part that came in, and then after this step we're gonna go ahead and start on the hood. So we got the box all set up, the new connection where the snorkel's gonna come in through, putting the battery back on. Now we're finally getting to the scary part. I'm kind of nervous, I'm not gonna lie. Here we go. Here we go. Donald también hace teeth. You pull out teeth too.
I haven't done mine, but safety comes first.
Yeah, he's a dentist, a DJ, and he works on Jeeps part-time. All right, so like 8 hours later, 10 hours later, like 12 hours into this, where we had to do modifications.
Instructions, really.
Yeah, the instructions were terrible. So, yeah, anyway, we're getting there. All right, so we got airbox. We got the brackets. We're waiting for this to dry. Our little invention we came up with here. And Yeah, we're gonna put on the hood. So we got the snorkel. Had a little hiccup, but we got it all on. Alright, so we finished this snorkel build with Off-Road Toys, Donald. I'm about to just do a little Jeep pose. Go see Donald at Off-Road Toys South Atlanta for lift kits, re-gears, tires, wheels.
Axle swap, gears. Remember, if you change gears, if you change tires to a 35, 37s, and you got that luggage, from stock, you probably have 321s or 373s. You might want to think of upgrading your gears. It gives you a better gas mileage and everything.
Yeah, if you want to run bigger tires and do it correctly, come see Donald.
Lockers before lights.
Yeah, lockers before lights. If you have a new Gladiator, come see Donald.